Now, Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan dubbed allegation that the preamble of the Constitution has been removed from the NCERT textbooks as baseless. He alleged the Congress is using the subject to pursue its politics of lies, which shows the opposition party's disgusting mentality. Pradhan's reaction came after Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge raised the issue in the Rajya Sabha, quoting a newspaper report in which it said that the preamble has been removed. Now, this was a big controversy to which today the Education Minister was responding.
ये जो एनसीईआरटी की टेक्स्ट बुक्स में संविधान के प्रियम्बल को हटाया गया है, आरएसएस और बीजेपी अपनी सांप्रदायिक विचारधारा को देश के लोगों पर थोपने के लिए पाठ्यक्रम के साथ छेड़छाड़ कर रही है।
अभी भी जो नए पाठ्य पुस्तक आए हैं कक्षा 6 की, उसमें भी प्रियम्बल है। ना केवल प्रियम्बल, उसके साथ फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज, फंडामेंटल राइट्स, नेशनल एंथम, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की, संविधान की कोर वैल्यूज ये भी प्रतिनिधित्व करते हैं। सारा विषय को रखा गया है। तथ्य जो पढ़ रहे हो तथ्य नहीं था।
We saw a debate, a heated war of words between Mallikarjun Kharge and Dharmendra Pradhan, the Education Minister, yesterday on this preamble issue, and the same thing was witnessed today between Mallikarjun Kharge and the leader of House of the BJP, JP Nadda, who also happens to be the BJP president. And all of this is centered around this controversy that the NCERT has removed the preamble from the covers of several textbooks, including, maths, languages, and also some environmental science textbooks of class 6 and class 3. Now, NCERT has issued a statement saying that none of this has happened and that NCERT has been promoting not just the preamble but also fundamental rights, fundamental duties and also national anthem. Right. And in fact, the entire curriculum of NCERT is aimed at promoting constitutional values. Dharmendra Pradhan in fact has called Congress party a pot of lies.